You vacuum your floors, dust hard surfaces, but how do you clean and dust your drapes and shears?
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Magic Roller.
With normal attachments, fabric gets sucked up into the hose, but the Magic Roller's clever design allows you to roll over all types of fabrics quick and easy.
Watch this.
This silk is covered with glitter. With an ordinary vacuum, this happens, but with the Magic Roller, you just roll over the surface, the silk stays where it is, and the glitter is vacuumed up. Use the Magic Roller to remove dust from shears and drapes. Clean your curtains lightning fast in just one pass. Run the roller over your rugs and get them clean using the power of your vacuum cleaner. It's even safe on the fringe. And nothing cleans and freshens a chair or couch better than the Magic Roller. The secret's the patented ventilated outer roller. It rotates as you roll. The air flows freely, sucking up the dirt and dust while the fabric stays in place. Dust mites are the leading cause of allergies and asthma in and around the house. With an ordinary vacuum attachment, it takes forever to vacuum. But with the Magic Roller, you can easily roll your way to a clean mattress in no time. Use it on pillows. It cleans and protects at the same time. It's even great on comforters, sheets, and mattress pads.
So say goodbye to dust mites and hello to a good night's sleep.
The Magic Roller fits on any vacuum and can be used on any surface. From the heaviest curtains to the most delicate lace, nothing cleans like the Magic Roller. Call now and get the Magic Roller for just $19.95.
But that's not all.
Order right now and we'll also include the dry lint attachment, yours free. Now it's easy to keep your dryer clean and lint free.
That means you get all this,
The Magic Roller and the dry lint attachment, all for just $19.95.
Here's how to order.